Most traders stay broke, not because they don't know how to trade, but because they keep repeating the same hidden mistakes. If you do not fix these mistakes, the market will keep taking money from you. In this video, I will break down why most traders fail and how you can escape the trap and start seeing results immediately. Mistake number one, mindset trap. Too many traders came into the market with a gambling mindset. They want to flip $10 into $1,000 overnight. And when they don't see it happen, they start chasing loss. Trading is not a lottery. It is a skill that needs to be acquired. Until you treat it as a business, until you treat it as a profession, you will keep getting the same results. Mistake number two, risk management. Hear this. Risk management is boring, but it is the difference between staying broke and building wealth. If you are risking 0.5% of your account size per trade, you are not trading, you are donating. You are a charitable organization donating to the market. Smart traders know that risking small will make you stay longer in the industry and the profit itself will stack. It is that simple. Mistake number three, no trading plan. No trading plan at all. There is a saying that when you fail to plan, you have already planned to fail. Most traders, they don't have plan. They don't have trading plan. They just wake up, head over to their MT5 or whatever platform that they are using to trade and jump into trading based on what they hear or what they see on Twitter, that's X, or Telegram, or what anybody tells them, some random persons tell them. They just have it at the back of their mind, wake up, open their MT5 and start trading. No plan on how to enter the market, no entry plan, no exit plan, no percentage risk. You don't even know how much you are risking in a trade, but you call yourself a trader. No checklist, no confluence. If you don't have trading plan, the market will plan your losses for you. Another reason why traders stay broke is because they follow the noise. They follow hype. A particular coin is being hyped, they jump in. They tend to follow the noise instead of data. They copy signals anyhow, randomly, copy trading. That's the one that is reigning now. You don't even know that there is what we call time lag. Sometimes you copy the signals, you don't know what the person's account size is, you don't even know if the trade has gotten to the level where the person sent it, you don't know anything. You just copy, you paste, you lose your money. You trade on emotions. You have failed to kill the demon that comes with trading. At every level, there is a demon for that level. You fail to treat or to handle that demon within you. You trade on emotions. The market rewards preparations, patience, not guesswork. The market doesn't reward noise. See yet a man diligent in his work. He will sit with kings. It is your preparation and the quality decisions that pays you in the market. Hear this, the more you rely on others, the more broke you stay because you are at their mercy. How do you fix this? As an upcoming trader, as someone who has been struggling, first, build a clear trading plan. What is your strategy? Know what you are risking per trade based on your account size. What time frame are you working on? What is your entry or your exit point? What are the things that you need to see before you take a particular trade? Have a trading plan. Build one for yourself. You can download a free trading plan that can guide you from the description. Secondly, focus on learning smart money concepts. It pays. In fact, that's the easiest way to start growing. Sharpen your edge. The market rewards patience and quality decisions, not guess. Remember that this market doesn't care about how you feel. That is why whoever that goes to war has to prepare. If you want to go to the battlefield, you need to prepare. Number 3, journal your trade. Weekly, have a review. Know what worked and what failed. Why did it work? Why did it fail? Sharpen your edge. Always be consistent. Don't do it one leg today, one leg tomorrow. Like I said earlier, until you start treating it as a profession, that's when the result will change. The last but not the least, find accountability partner. This journey is actually a long journey. You don't need to do it alone. As humans, sometimes you get demoralized, you get tired, you get frustrated. You need someone to check up on you. You need someone you will check up on. Find a person of like mind that is going the same direction you are going. I mean, both of you are in the same industry. Both of you can work together, set a target, and share plans, share things together. We grow by lifting others. And if you want to join my circle, it is free. You can check the link in the description, or you go to the comment section and type accountability partner. I will add you to the group. I will leave a link in the description if you want to download a free trading checklist that can guide you or help you if you are still struggling. If you have gained value from this video, do not leave without supporting this channel. Subscribe to this channel for more money, trading, and financial updates and strategies. And let's make the remaining months of this year the month that you finally escape that circle. My name is Juliet, and this is Finspoke channel. Till I come your way next. Peace.